When made right, roasted nuts can be so irresistible, right? Let's explore why roasted nuts taste so delicious. We'll also chat about the Maillard reaction. It's a kind of magic that occurs when nuts are cooked. But here's the thing, we'll also find out about the not so good stuff that can affect our health when nuts are roasted. First, if you're loving this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Which are healthier, raw or roasted nuts? In brief, the answer can be both. Raw nuts offer significant health benefits, although there is a potential risk of harmful bacteria. However, even if present, the likelihood of causing illness is quite minimal. On the other hand, roasted nuts may have fewer antioxidants and vitamins. Additionally, some of their beneficial fats may undergo damage, and there's a possibility of acrylamide formation, although not in harmful quantities. What is the Maillard reaction? The appealing flavor, color, and aroma of roasted nuts result from the Maillard reaction. It's a chemical process involving the interaction of asparagine and natural sugars when nuts are heated above 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This reaction can also lead to the formation of acrylamide, a potentially harmful substance associated with cancer in animals. Almonds and acrylamide. Almonds containing high levels of asparagine are particularly susceptible to acrylamide formation, starting at temperatures above 266 degrees Fahrenheit and escalating significantly at temperatures exceeding 295 degrees Fahrenheit. Other nuts like pistachios may exhibit varying levels of acrylamide during roasting. While exposure to acrylamide in almonds and other foods is generally low and not considered harmful, those aiming to minimize it can roast almonds at a lower temperature at around 265 degrees Fahrenheit. What temperature should I roast nuts and for how long? Ultimately, the temperature and duration of roasting play a pivotal role. Optimal results are achieved when nuts are roasted at a low to medium temperature at approximately 284 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 minutes, minimizing vitamin loss while preserving healthy fats and reducing the likelihood of acrylamide formation. For those inclined towards roasted nuts, it's crucial to be aware that store-bought varieties may contain added salt or sugar coatings. Instead, consider purchasing raw nuts and roasting them personally, preferably in the oven. This approach allows for better temperature control and the roasting of larger quantities at once. Furthermore, studies indicate that roasting at lower temperatures ranging between 248 to 284 degrees Fahrenheit and even at moderate temperatures between 284 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit produces the most appealing taste and texture. If opting for oil-roasted nuts to enhance flavor, it's essential to note that not all oils are suitable for roasting. Choose a heat-stable oil, such as coconut oil, and roast the nuts personally to ensure optimal results. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.